In this video, I'll show you how to follow someone in Binance Square. This video is only for educational purposes only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you. Open up your Binance, click on this home, click on more, come on here, type in Square. So once that's opened up, wait for it to open up, Square. Yeah. So click on following. So from here, you can be able to see people you can follow in Binance Square. CZ, Richard, like there's a whole lot of them. So you can come on here and select the one you want to follow, right? So just wait for it to open up. You're going to be able to see the follow option. So if you click on it, you can see I just followed CZ here on Binance. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. See you on the next video.